Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can animate text on your video in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have created a project and we're going to add animated text to this video. So the first thing we should do is we have to click on text button right here. Then click on add text and type the text that you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm going to type wait guys. I'm going to type my vlog for my video. Then we can choose the font that we like. So I'm just going to choose Helium font. Alright, after that we can choose the style of the font by clicking on the style option. And I'm just going to choose this one. Alright, after that, if we want to animate this tag, we can click on animation option, guys. Just tap on animation right here. Alright, and choose the animation that you like. You can choose a lot of animation right here, guys. You can choose it as you like. And I'm just going to choose throughout animation. Alright, after that, if you have chosen the animation that you like, you can click on this check mark. Okay guys, and if you want to make this animation align with your video, you can just drag it to the right like this. Okay, and let's see the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can animate text on our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.